So as an architect of the project, okay, I have to give a proper decision, proper guidance to my clients. So because a part of this property falls in CRZ, आम्ही already CRZ कडल्यान we had already taken the approvals from CRZ. After receiving the approvals from CRZ, then we submitted the file in town and country planning. And after getting the approvals from country planning, it goes to health, then it goes to Panchayat, and Panchayat gave us the construction license. Then again, once the whole project was completed, again file has to go, back to town and country planning. You have put it, for with completion. Then it went to again Panchayat for occupancy certificate. So this process was properly followed. So there was nothing, which was shortfall or something like that. That's why. So what I'm trying to explain to you is the property actually is like this. Okay, so it's the property starts from the road outside. From here it comes. So this entire thing is property. Okay, we just divided into two because we wanted, and all these people have come together and they all have purchased the property. It is not purchased by any builder or any developer. It is purchased by the individual, but they form like a group and they have purchased. So property 1 and property 2. So what happens? This particular property starts from here and it comes here, and this road. So automatically this is their internal road. Okay, for owner people. So it goes to this property and then it ends here, touching this particular property. There is nothing beyond this. This property was always like this. So whatever allegations, whatever has been talked about, that this is an illegal project or this is the thing, there is nothing illegal into it. Everything and each and every approval, each and everything is been taken. Okay. What they were talking about, regarding my signature was missing or something like that. That is, but my stamp was there. Okay. But yes, possibly in these things we forget to sign, or it just misses while the whole file is being signed. Possible. So that will be that will be taken care of. But other than that, each and everything, okay, is absolutely perfect, and there are zero illegalities in the entire project. Now the road, what is being claimed, as I explained it to you, this is their internal private road. Okay, this doesn't pass through the property. It is not supposed to also pass through the property. This will end at their property. So this was always supposed to be like that. And what they are claiming, the next property, whoever has bought it, she bought it from one Miss Olga. Olga also is not a resident of Colva, nor she is a fisherman. Okay, she probably stays somewhere abroad, I don't know where. But to tell you the fact is, it was never supposed to be, for that particular property. The road was supposed to end here only, as per what my client has bought. Yeah. So what I feel is, whatever allegations or whatever are being put, okay, that the project is illegal, again I'm telling you it is not. And if they find that something is not gone right, okay, as per their this thing, they always have a choice to go to the court and file a suitable this thing to get access or whatever they want to. But they are not doing that. They are just taking some press conference or something like that and just giving some false information to the public and misleading the public. That is the only reason which we said okay, I want to properly give them. There is nothing illegal about this project. If they find something is not gone right, they always have an option to go to the court. That's what I want to say.